ends, I can see it in the distance. But can you ever reach the end of a timeless existence? I'll bet you.
Okay, now we're recording. I meant to record earlier. Woo, I am sweating, bro. Oh my God, this guy's trying to kill me. He gave me one hit of the peace pipe, which is, I think, just tobacco. I literally lost all of my vision for like 15 seconds, dude. Holy shit, bro. Oh, my foe is ready. I'm like sweating balls right now. Yeah, I took one hit of the peace pipe. I'm pretty sure it's just tobacco. I was like, all right, yeah, I'll try it. Literally, yeah. Woo. Oh my goodness, I just came here for some pho. He gives me the peace pipe. I took one hit of tobacco through there. Literally got me fucked up. I lost all my vision for like a solid 20 seconds. These people probably think I'm fucking crazy, dude. That felt like a DMT trip. I take one hit, I literally lost consciousness, bro, for like 15 seconds. Who knew tobacco was that strong? Okay, guys, that's it. All right. Like right when I exhaled that thing, everything started vibrating. It was like boom, 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 boom. That's all I could hear. Boom, 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 boom. Like I couldn't even take a sip of my water. Like right afterwards, I tried to drink this water he gave me, and like I couldn't even move my arm up to get the water. Like I tried to just grab the water, it was not happening. But I was so hungry, I finished every last atom of that soup, dude. And then right after, he was like, oh, do you want another one? No. That just made me never want to try tobacco ever again in my life. Little update, guys. Oh shit, this guy just wants to stop in the middle of the road. Little update, I am going to Yen Bai now, which is kind of in between like Hanoi and Sapa. So I guess my next stop is Sapa after Yen Bai. But yeah, I have no laundry. Like I said, I'm still in this situation where I'm wearing no underwear, no shirt. I'm just wearing a rain jacket and these orange pants. I didn't even bother taking a, dude, what the fuck? I think he was stopping for me. I'm an idiot. I went back to that pho place where I had that psychedelic tobacco experience last night because I really did enjoy the food. It was really good. So yeah, I'm fueled up today. I'm off to a better start than yesterday, that's for sure. All right, bye-bye, guys.
I can see it in the distance. But can you ever reach the end of a timeless existence? I'll bet you.
Hello. How are you? Hello. I'm here to eat some food. It's a restaurant, right? Oh, it is. Beautiful. I can't read any of this. Shit. So I'm at this cool little seafood restaurant, and she recommended snail, which I think that's what that is, and I said no, absolutely not. And then I went for seafood fried rice, I think I got. But then I started feeling brave because everything's pretty cheap on the menu. So then I said, actually give me the snail. And then she Google translated and she said it was, and it went to quail. So I don't know if it's quail or snail, but we'll see soon. I'll start recording once they bring the food out. Honestly, I don't know what this is. They look so weird. I think these are snails. Looks so disgusting, but tastes good though. I actually do like it. Got some vegetables and peanuts in there too. My fried rice came. I don't know what this is. I'll figure that out in a second. What do I do with this? I think I'm supposed to I don't know if it's soup. Let's try. Oh, I think it is. Damn. And to try the fried fish rice. Let's try this out. It took them a little while to make this one, so it looks like they put a lot of love into it. I can't eat rice with chopsticks. I am not that advanced. But let's use this spoon we got here. That's good. There's some like squid in here or something. Like octopus squid. That's something that's new to me. $8 or something for all this fresh seafood. That's what Vietnam is all about, baby. This is great. My GoPro ran out of battery in the restaurant, but I saw the biggest spider I've ever seen. I don't think it was its full size, but it was like this big, guys. That's a scary ass looking spider, dude. How big this spider is, guys. Oh shit. Yeah, fuck that, dude. Okay guys, so I got to the massage place and I had a massage. I think it was about 90 minutes long and it cost me about $20. And it was probably the best experience of my entire life. I had my ears cleaned, I had my hair washed, full body massage. I was in a sauna that was like probably 999 degrees. I gotta go now. There's other guys getting crazy massages, so ping pong.
Yeah.
Yes, there I am. Here, film me, film me. So I'm at the Shak San Nuyet. Very beautiful. It only cost me 400,000 dong, which is like, I think not even $20. So I just got here. I can finally do my laundry, I hope. I haven't asked them yet, but I think I can finally do my laundry. As you can see, I'm in my orange pants. I got no shirt on. But this place is basically a palace, guys. I'm very excited. The people seem very nice. And yeah.
Yeah, I can run faster with no wind resistance.
Here, I'm gonna use the elegant elevator so I don't have to go all the way up the stairs. Ooh, look at this. This guy's not gonna like being in the same elevator with my smelly ass, dude. But yeah, I don't really know what to say because I'm not used to being filmed like this. I bet this is how everybody feels when I walk into their homes and with a camera in their face. But yeah, this guy's cool. He just picked up my camera and I'm like, hold up, let me film real quick. Do you speak any English? English? An? No? What's your name? Name? Me? Nico. You? So, not a lot of English around here, but we got 507. Let's check it out.
Wait.
506. Oh, 507. This place is pretty nice for $15 a night. God damn, boy. Wait, let's check out the view. Let's check out the view. Alright. It's not too shabby. Hey, look at this. All right, guys. Thank you. I will see you later. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. So this is what Vietnam is all about, baby. This hotel is 400,000 dong, which is about $16 a night. So I mean, I just wanted to find a place where I could really just do my laundry and take a nice shower. You know what I mean? But I mean, this place is pretty killer, guys. I mean, look at this. Pretty killer stuff. We got a little fridge with a couple beers, Coke, Red Bull, all the essentials, guys. Some food. The view is honestly pretty sick too, guys. I mean, look at that. Some mountains and stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna settle in. Usually what I do when I get to a hotel is like just tear everything out of my backpack, which I really got to do all my laundry, guys, because like as you can see, all the clean laundry I have is right here on me, which isn't even clean, guys. Like this rain jacket is filthy and stuff. I mean, look at this, guys. We got a gold mirror going on here. Really good water pressure going. I'm not a huge fan of this style in Vietnam with the shower where there's no like glass or anything, like you're not boxed in, it's just an open bathroom with a shower. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm not the biggest fan of it though. Let's check out the water pressure on here. Wait. This is interesting. All right, guys, we can work with that. We can work with that. Not the best water pressure in the world, but we will survive. This is a huge, let me test the bed out because this was a huge deal breaker at the hotel last night. The worst bed of all time. All right. This isn't the best bed in the world, but oh my God, anything's better than the one I was on last night. That was straight up cardboard. But yeah, so pretty cool hotel. I'm in Yen Bai. So I think I'm gonna go around town and kind of see what this place is all about. But first things first, I need to get my laundry done. So the next time I see you guys, I should have some clean laundry on my body. See you later, guys.